Welcome to PLAB 1 Flashcards. Just go to Google Play Store and type PLAB 1 and then you will see PLAB 1 Flashcards. And once you download the app, you can open the PLAB 1 Flashcards app. When you open the app, it will directly show the random flashcards. You can select one and you can see that it is an anatomy flashcard. On the left upper hand corner, you can select the orientation of the flashcard, whether it should be landscape or portrait. And also, you can click the eye icon when you are competent in the flashcard. That means you have finished studying your flashcard. And also, you can flag the flashcard if you feel that the particular flashcard is important to you. And also, you can set a timer to a specific time so that app will automatically remind you regarding that particular flashcard at the particular time that you have. Under the categories, you can see different subtypes in medicine. So when you want to study, for example, cardiology, you just click on cardiology and then you can see all the cardiology flashcards. Under this category, you can see the cards in particular order. Once you complete studying the card, you can click the eye icon. Later on, when you go back and look at the small circle in front of the cardiology, you can see the percentage of the completed card so that you can get an idea how much you have completed from each category. So you can see there are a lot of categories. And under the flagged flashcards, you can see the flashcards that you have flagged. To click the menu, you can go to My Notes section. Under My Notes section, you can make your own flashcards. You can click this plus icon and then you can select category. For example, we would select endocrine. And you can put a heading to the flashcard and you can type anything that you want to study under the flashcard. And also you can add an image or even put a recording or even add a voice recording. So like that you can save this particular flashcard. Once you open the flashcard created by you, you can also click the eye icon and mark it as you have read it or not read it. And also you can flag the flashcard, and under this category also you can put a timer or the reminder so that you can study it later on. And if you go down there, you can see the help icon. In the help icon, you can see we have described the importance of flashcard for PLAB 1 exam. You can go through this section and have a good idea of why flashcards are important for you.